Link shortener. Yes, you can create your personal link shortener using Python. But how many lines of code? 100. Kind of less than 10, but I'll say 10. 10 lines of code. Requirements Python and a Python library pyshorteners. If you don't have that, please install it by going to command prompt and this command pip install pyshorteners. But how the program works, you have to give a link and it will take as its input, and the program will use tiny URL server for this, and it will to happen in the background so you don't have to worry about anything. And after shorten link, it will be displayed on the terminal. So the source code, first we'll import pyshorteners. Link equals to input. You have to give the link in the quoted brackets. I will show you in the demo section. And shorteners will be pyshorteners dot shorteners. It's an class object. Next, x equal to shorteners dot tiny URL short link. You have to do nothing, and this is the main code actually. It will happen in the backend of the server. So in the last, you will print X means the shortened link. So let me show you the demo. So we have the code in a folder, and this is the source code. We will do run, and as we run, it asks for the link. I'll just paste my YouTube link, enter. It will take some time and maybe 2 seconds. So we will copy this and paste it to our browser. Yes, we are ready to go. So this is happening. Let's talk about open source contributing. Any kind of contribution to qxresearch link shortener are welcome. And you can be officially member of qxresearch or Mozilla Campus Club by joining Mozilla group, joining Telegram group, both the links are in the description, and start development and research with qxresearch.